town? It's like the safest part of Karachi.
Another city.
Oh, it's another city near Karachi.
Technically.
30 minutes away. Look, it looks modern. Yeah, like there's a Sydney. Sydney? Oh, that's why you call it Sydney Opera House, because it looks like that.
Yeah, it looks like that.
Alright, we're in, I think. Look, there's cameras. This is a safe area. Look at these other buildings. So many buildings. Alright, let's go to the bird park.